it's Shannon. I'm working on the Jaimesyn romper today, and I wanted to show you really quickly. I just put on the straps, and now I have to flip this a particular way and sew all around so it's enclosed. So I want to show you how to do that because it's really hard to take pictures of the steps, and I know it can be kind of confusing right there. So as I said, I just pinned on the straps. You can see right here, this is the inside. The bottoms are not attached. You see the back right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to go in between the front bodice lining and main, and you're going to put your hand all the way through and grab the crotch piece, and you're going to pull it through slightly, and then you're going to line them up. It doesn't have to be perfect because you're not actually sewing this part, but I just want to get it in order. Okay, so now I have it hanging like this, and I'm just going to flip it. And so now we have the skirt, or I mean, sorry, the back piece with the butt ruffles in between the front and lining piece of the front bodice. So it's all kind of a jumbled mess right here. Earlier, we sewed a little portion, and so there's this little joint right here, this little seam. And so what you're going to do is you're going to fold it right at that seam, and you're going to pin, making sure you grab this back layer sandwiched in between the front and the back and the lining piece of the front bodice. So the ruffle bottom is now layered in between the front bodice main and lining piece. And you're just going to pin all the way around. And you want to make sure you're just going really carefully, because you really, once you sew around, you're going to be enclosing this. So you want to make sure that you're not missing that, especially up by the elastic part where it gets pulled in from the elastic. You do not want to miss that part when you're sewing. So I'm going to pin this, and then I'll show you it when it's done. Okay, so once you have this all pinned together, you're going to sew starting about 1 inch above on this side, all the way around to about 1 inch above on this side. And you want to leave 1 inch so that you're going to be able to add the leg casing later. If you sew all the way to the end, you will not be able to add your leg casing. So make sure that you keep that in mind. You also want to make sure that all of your straps are enclosed inside of this right here. It's all in there. And once you do this, you can go ahead and go sew it.